Weather Service in Mobile has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from Okaloosa, Walton County line to Pensacola, Florida out 20 nautical miles, coastal waters from Pensacola, Florida to Pascagoula, Mississippi out 20 nautical miles, eastern Choctawhatchee Bay, Mississippi Sound, Pensacola Bay Area including Santa Rosa Sound, Perdido Bay Area, South Mobile Bay, waters from Okaloosa, Walton County line to Pensacola, Florida from 20 to 60 nautical miles, waters from Pensacola, Florida to Pascagoula, Mississippi from 20 to 60 nautical miles, western Choctawhatchee Bay, until 1 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 11:05 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms capable of producing waterspouts were located along a line extending from 12 nautical miles northwest of Escambia Bay Bridge to near Lillian Bridge to near Orange Beach to near Farewell Buoy to near Petty Boy Pass, moving east at 40 knots. Hazard, waterspouts, wind gusts in excess of 50 knots, and small hail. Source, radar. Impact, waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Boats could suffer significant structural damage in high winds. Small craft could capsize in suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Fort Walton Beach, Big Lagoon, Pensacola Beach, Fort Pickens, Farewell Buoy, Okaloosa Pier, Pensacola Bay, West Choctawhatchee Bay, East Santa Rosa Sound and West Santa Rosa Sound. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. Thunderstorms can produce sudden waterspouts. Waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Seek safe harbor immediately. Frequent lightning is occurring with these storms. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal.